Hey everybody, it's CTI. Today I'm gonna make some pizza. So pizza has some pretty basic ingredients. I'm using some dough that I got from Market Basket. You can make fresh dough. I have made it before, but today I am not going to make fresh dough. So we have our dough, we have our flour. You need some flour to put on the dough because your hands are going to get sticky. Pizza sauce, pizza cheese, and going to make some pepperoni pizza today. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is get our crust ready to go. So our crust is really kind of sticky, so you want to get a little bit of flour in your fingers and put some all over the dough as well. So as you use the flour, you want to mix the flour around it and then just kind of shape the pizza as much as you can into a pizza shape. So I'm using a pizza pan. If you don't have a pizza pan, you can use a regular type pan at home. And what that will, if you have a regular pan, you can bake it, pizza that way. Pizza doesn't always have to be circular. So you want to kind of knead the dough. If you need to get some more flour, put a little bit more flour on there. You really don't want it to stick to your hands or to the pan underneath. Might be you want to pick it up, stretch it. Sometimes this will help in stretching the dough. I'm not a pizza guy, so I don't throw it. I don't know, maybe let's see, ready? Oh, that was pretty good. Maybe I should go into pizza. All right, so pizza's getting there. Our crust, our dough, nice and soft. So you want to have try to get it over to the edge of the pan as much as you possibly can. And you might have to pick it up again, you might have to stretch it a little bit, but as you keep playing with the dough and stretching it, it should be fine. Alright, so at this point we have to start our oven. So once that, oven will be set at 500 degrees. So 500. Okay, so that's heating 500 degrees. Our crust, it looks like it's getting there. You might see bubbles, that's completely fine. Okay, I forgot to put on my apron. So, kind of makes a mess. This is one of my favorite aprons. So we'll put this on and get ready. Alright. So at this point, your next step is you want to take a little bit of oil. Olive oil works. You can use canola oil. You can really use any type of oil you want. Sometimes there's garlic oil. There's, it really is based on your preference. So we're going to take a little bit of oil, just a tiny bit, and you're going to spread it around. So just a tiny bit, you're going to spread that oil all around. Some people at this point want to add garlic salt, or garlic powder to theirs, but we're not going to do that today. Alright, get spread out that. Get some oil all around there. You want to make sure you get the crust part, the edges, because that's where it's going to get really crispy and delicious. Alright, and as you're doing this, if you would like, you don't have to. Some people like to fold the top a little over on the corners. On the sides. But it's up to you. Alright, pizza. Okay, this will use, it's over there. Forgot to get my towel. Alright, So now, our next step in pizza, of course, is our pizza sauce. Alright, pizza sauce. So for the pizza sauce, just put a tiny, tiny bit, and then you can, as you put some on, you want to spread it around, and you know, again, based on your preference, you like a lot of sauce, you like a little sauce, really depends on what your family likes, what you like. I like about, I don't know, like a medium. I don't like a ton of sauce, but I do like it to be somewhat saucy, so we're going to put a little bit more on here. Okay. Pizza. Even Fred likes pizza. Huh, Fred? Yeah. Yeah, he said yeah. Alright. Now, crust, sauce, pizza. What is pizza without cheese? Pizza cheese. You want to put as much cheese. Again, it's based on your preference. So if you want a lot of cheese, you can put a little cheese. You can, whatever you want to do. Okay. So here we go. All in. Alright. Put that all over. We put some cheese on. And next is your toppings. At this point, you can put whatever toppings you want. We are doing pepperoni here. You can do chicken, you can do peppers, onions, whatever you prefer, whatever your family prefers. That's completely up to you. Anchovies, I don't like anchovies, but maybe you do. Put some anchovies on there. Alright, so you want to put these all around, really. You know, make a circle around with the pepperoni. There's no correct way of how to put pepperoni on a pizza. You can put as much as little as you want. I like to go around the edge first and then come towards the middle. That's just my preference. And almost there. Add a little bit, couple more. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Always taste it too. Make sure it tastes good. Alright. So we have our crust, sauce, cheese, pepperoni, olive oil, and we're also going to put a little bit of cracked pepper on it as well. You don't have to. I prefer this. That's ready to go in the oven. So as soon as the oven heats up, I'll be putting this into the oven at 500 degrees for about 10 minutes or so. And as soon as that heats up, I will get back to you and let you see how it comes out. See you in a bit. Alright, so the pizza, just waiting for our stove to get ready. It's still preheating. So, we will be back, hopefully soon, once that says 500 degrees. And then this pizza will go in and become some delicious pepperoni pizza. Finally, pizza is ready to go in the oven. Okay, here it goes. Put that pizza in, turn on the oven light, timer, 10 minutes. See what happens in 10 minutes. Hopefully, this comes out awesome. Okay guys, pizza's almost here. 3, 2, 1. I love that sound. Let's see how it came out. Whew. So, let's turn that off. Here is our pepperoni pizza that we made today. Thank you for watching my video. And hopefully you can make a pizza at home. And these bubbles here, just pop them and enjoy your pizza whenever you like. talk to you all later. Be safe. Thank you.